everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Autumn, and this channel primarily focuses on anything from beauty and fragrance to fashion and some fitness kind of sprinkled in. All of it from the perspective of the average person. That's why I call myself Average Autumn. If that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe. Today's video, I'm going to be focusing on the FabFitFun mystery box. So they recently had an edit sale after they sent out all of their winter boxes, and the edit sale allowed us to buy what they call, I believe, super mega mystery bundles. So typically they do like a mystery bundle, which I think is around $29, and you get 3 to 4 items that are worth about $100. And then they've also had their mega mystery bundles, which are 3 of those grouped together. But apparently these super mega mystery bundles include 5 of the mystery bundles together. So I paid around $120 some for 5 of them. And when I initially went on the site to buy them, it would only like allow me to put 1 in my cart. So I think I was like one of the last people initially to go in and get it. But I heard that if you keep kind of checking back as people take things out of their carts, things may become available. So I went ahead and I checked back a couple days later before the sale closed out, and I could add a second one to my cart. So I did get 2, and you're probably thinking that's a little bit ridiculous to get like 40 mystery items and pay well over $200 knowing absolutely having no idea what you're getting. And it is a little bit ridiculous because I have tons of stuff, but the reason I did this is because the holidays are approaching, and I thought this stuff averages out to be about $6 per item, and I like to put together like little mystery boxes or like curated boxes for my friends around the holidays. So that is mostly where this stuff will be going. So anyway, without any further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into it. This is the box. It's 16 pounds and it's super heavy, so I'm gonna put it down. And they also didn't send everything out to me. I think the rest of the shipment's supposed to be coming tomorrow, so I will tack that on after I open this stuff up. And I think that shipment said it was like another 6 pounds. Grab my scissors and we're gonna open it up. What's weird is I was told that I would be getting no repeat items. And I already see 2 repeat items, but we're just gonna go ahead and start opening and see what's in here. Well, like I wasn't told like directly from them, but it did mention that in the description. But I guess it doesn't really matter since I'm giving this stuff away. So here is the first bag. So this first big box I see here is the Botanica by Spongel. 5+ uses each, 2 body wash infused buffers. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So the outer sleeve looked like this, and then inside is this beautiful box. So this is definitely giftable. And then you get 2 butterfly bath sponges with about a week's worth inside of them. So this is definitely going to be gifted. Okay, next thing in this box appears to be 2 makeup items. One is a liquid lipstick and the other one is a semi-matte lipstick. And are they both in the same color? Peach Please and Peachy Keen. So I'm gonna open them up, and then I'm gonna look at swatches and things like that online. So that's what this one looks like. I have a ton of lip products and I'm actually really picky about lip products. So these will probably just get passed on to someone. But Mented is a brand that I've been curious about. I'm just not sure if this is something I'm gonna hold on to. And then these come in bubble wrap, and here I have this Life Autumn Ray, handcrafted in Los Angeles. What is this? It looks like it has like a crystal floating in it. What is this? Is this a perfume? Yeah, it's 100% natural perfume oil, quartz infused. So let me give it a whiff. I smell nothing because I think the roller here. I literally smell nothing. I don't want to put it on my skin. I'm gonna roll it onto this box. And then maybe put that onto my skin. What is this supposed to smell like? I don't smell anything. I mean, it's really cool that there are crystals in it, but I literally don't smell anything. All right, and then the other thing in the bubble wrap is this Botanical Hand and Body Lotion by the lifestyle company Los Angeles. And I am so stocked up on lotions, so again, that's definitely gonna be gifted. So do I think this particular bag, because each bag is supposed to be worth $100, I will just tell you this, if I were going to TJ Maxx and I saw these items, I would not pay $100 for these items. So then yes, it looks to be the exact same thing in this next one. Again, there were supposed to be no repeats, which I found to be odd. But anyway, I'll put that over there and I will divvy accordingly. All right, so here is the next one. Okay, so this first thing says Happy Wax. I'm guessing it's like a wax warmer. So the little wax melts that come in it are lemon verbena scented. And then the wax warmer itself inside says it's travel size, which cracks me up. Like, who's gonna be traveling with a wax warmer? But you can buy over 30 unique scents to use in your wax warmer. The next item is called Volition Orange Sickle Balancing Daily Cleanser with prebiotics, antioxidants, and all that good stuff. So I will probably keep this because I use prebiotics a lot in my skincare to help keep dermatitis at bay. So this is actually something that I probably will keep for myself. The fact that it says orange sickle though leads me to believe it's heavily scented, which isn't always ideal. It's actually lightly, well actually no, it grew on me, so it is pretty heavily scented. All right, next I have this Hydrating Lip Gloss from Evo Beauty in the shade Susan. There it is. The top is a little bit weird, but again, I'm not gonna open this because this is definitely something that I'm gonna be passing along. And then the last thing in this box is, looks like it's for eyes. It's 24-hour Replenishing Eye Moisturizer by Espa. By the way, here's the box. Yeah, and then it just has a pump. So I'm gonna look at reviews and things like that. Again, I have so much skincare and so much stuff that unless something is really amazing, I won't be keeping any of this for myself. So again, and I always like think back to TJ Maxx. If I were at TJ Maxx, would I pay $100 for this stuff? Probably not. So then I have this bag. And so here it is. I know some people were actually showing like the codes and stuff on the bags because I was so curious about what other people were getting because I wanted to give this stuff as gifts. I did look at some previous season mystery bundles just to kind of see, and they all showed these codes on the bags. I didn't show the other ones. I also go ahead and show them. There's this one that had the wax warmer, and then the first two were the same, and they had this code. All right, so let's get into this bag. So first thing in here is Nude Sticks Vegan Bamboo Cleansing Cloths. So this is the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Primer with no silicone, which means it's probably a moisturizing primer, which I like. And I really enjoy Ren skincare. So this actually might also be something I keep. Not that you guys care. Okay, it comes in a dropper. Yeah, so, and I like the kind of serum type primers because I actually usually use a serum to prime my face. All right, then we have this, which is interesting. These are Petty in a Box, Bubbly Spa. And so you get Bubbly Soak, Sugar Scrub, Bubbly Mask, Massage Butter. Oh, so each little box has all of those things in it. So I could actually split up the little boxes and give each individual one as a gift. And then there's a random kitchen spoon and a spatula. It's FabFitFun. I know they have home stuff. I don't know why I'm like, oh, it's so random. Okay. So that is for, I feel like there was another item in there. No? Was it in the other bag? Yeah, okay. So there were 4 items in this bag, but one of them was like, it had like multiple in it, but I don't know. They told me I was supposed to be getting like 40 items total. Oh, and that bag has been repeated again. All right, so next bag here, if you care about the numbers, I don't really know, but okay. I don't know why as a consumer we would care about the numbers, because I'm pretty sure that's just what they do in the warehouse. But all right, so I'm looking at this and they have the item numbers here. So there actually are a lot of repeats on this particular one. And I'm supposed to get 2 more bags from another warehouse. So I think these super mystery bundles, I got 2 of them. I'm probably gonna get 2 of each bag, possibly, I don't know. All right, so there's canvas thing in here and it says totes, y'all. And so it just looks like a canvas tote. And it says $30. I mean, there's no way anybody is paying $30 for just your run-of-the-mill canvas tote, let's be honest. Then there is a jump rope, a julep eyeshadow, cream to powder eyeshadow stick in copper shimmer. So I'll open it, but I'm not gonna swatch it. Yeah, because I have similar shades to that. Then I have the overnight sleep mask from TMI. And it's a hydration treatment with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. And then these next 2 bags are the same. So yeah, here's the code in case you are curious. So I was just kind of hoping for more variety to pop into the little gift bags that I am giving out. But I guess it's okay, there can be some repeats. So this is a Stitch notebook set. And so there's 3 little notebooks in here. Again, I could split them up or give them all as one. This is a piece by piece, the ultimate relaxation jigsaw puzzle in fall leaves. So I don't know one of my friends who loves jigsaw puzzles. Okay. And then Wish hand cream, and then Elemental Herbology Moisture Replenish Cell Pumping Facial Moisturizer. And this is weird. It is the same bag, but it has a Lily Pulitzer thing in it. So let's see what's different. So yeah, the Lily Pulitzer item is in this bag, but the notebooks aren't. So let's take a look at that Lily Pulitzer item. So it's just a Lily Pulitzer pencil pouch. So I'm guessing that, yeah, either you get the notebooks or the pencil pouch. So there you have it. And everything else in this one is the same as the last. So I will see you guys tomorrow with the rest of my box. All right, so welcome to the next day. I was so excited that I didn't even wait for my hair to dry from the shower before going ahead and filming this. I have the box right here. Hold on just a second, I'll pick it up. Here it is. This one's much lighter, obviously, because the other one I think had like 8 bags in it, and I think this one's only supposed to have 2. It came from a different warehouse, so let's hope that this one actually has different stuff in it. So when FedEx delivered this package, it blew off of my front porch. There was a huge storm that came through last night, and we're still having some wind from it today. So anyway, you may hear that in the background. And I have the same exact stuff that was in the other bags. So again, I have this bag that had the wax warmer in it. Same bag here. I don't even know why I'm opening it to show you, but I will. So we've got the Happy Wax warmer, the Espa eye cream, this cleanser, and this Evo Beauty lip gloss in the shade Susan. All right, and then in this bag, we have the Draper James Totes, y'all. Tote. I think this is a little bit different. The Yenisei Beauty Body Butter. So this I didn't get in the last one. So there are a few changes in them. This Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. And then this Teamy Overnight Sleep Mask. So that is everything. So for all of that, I paid around $200 with like taxes, shipping, everything, like $270, somewhere in that ballpark. I don't think it was worth it just because I got a lot of repeat items. Like I got double of mostly everything. Then I think for $270, I probably could have done a lot better at like TJ Maxx. That's always like my base point, my reference point. It was fun opening this. I think though that I will do these boxes with each edit sale, but I'm only gonna get one, and then I'm gonna hold the items back that I may not want or wouldn't work for me. I'm gonna hold those back for the holidays because I do enjoy divvying everything up and giving to friends. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got different stuff and you ordered this box, let me know. Anywho, I will talk to you soon. Bye.
It is raining, but all I can see is the summer